Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll first confirm the essentials. You're signed into your Apple ID and iMessage is turned on. Once done, make sure you have cellular or Wi-Fi so messages send. Now open the Messages app and tap the Compose button in the top right to begin. Choose a contact by typing a name, number, or email. You'll see suggestions from contacts. This step starts the actual message flow, so pick the right recipient and prepare to type or attach media. You type the message in the input field, but you can also tap the camera or photos icon to add images and video. Attachments make conversations clearer. Once you've typed or attached, press Send. Simple. If you want emphasis, use bubble and screen effects or long press a sent message to tap back. Make sure you note blue bubbles mean iMessage and support effects. Green means SMS without those extras. You can switch to dictation or record a short audio message for hands-free sending. Finish by organizing and viewing details. Pin important threads, mute noisy groups, or tap the group name to see members and shared attachments. Use search to find past text or tap details to share location and manage notifications. If messages won't send or effects don't appear, try this troubleshooting tip. Toggle iMessage off then on, sign out and back into your Apple ID, and restart the phone. If that fails, reset network settings to...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.